In our fast-paced and demanding world, stress has become an all-too-familiar companion in our lives. From work pressures and personal responsibilities to unforeseen challenges, stress can manifest in various forms and affect our physical and mental well-being. However, understanding and effectively managing stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life. In this article, we will explore the importance of stress management and share practical strategies to help you lead a happier, more balanced life. The impact of stress. Stress, in moderate amounts, is a natural and adaptive response that helps us navigate challenging situations. It can provide the necessary adrenaline and focus to meet deadlines or confront danger. However, chronic stress or excessive stress can have detrimental effects on our physical and mental health. It can lead to physical health issues. Prolonged stress can contribute to various health problems, including cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, digestive disorders, and weakened immune function. Mental health concerns. Chronic stress is a significant risk factor for the development of mental health issues like anxiety and depression. It can also exacerbate existing conditions. Impaired cognitive function. Stress can impair our ability to think clearly, concentrate, and make decisions, affecting our overall productivity. Relationship strain. High levels of stress can strain personal relationships, leading to conflicts and misunderstandings. Decreased quality of life. Ultimately, unmanaged stress can reduce the overall quality of life, making it essential to develop effective stress management techniques. Practical stress management strategies. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness practices and meditation can help you stay grounded and centered. By focusing on the present moment, you can reduce anxiety and negative thought patterns. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is an excellent way to combat stress. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate activity most days of the week. Balanced diet. A well-balanced diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides your body with the nutrients it needs to cope with stress. Avoid excessive caffeine and sugar, as they can exacerbate stress. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough sleep each night. Sleep is crucial for your body to recover and recharge. Establish a consistent sleep schedule to improve the quality of your rest. Time management. Organize your day and prioritize tasks. Break large projects into smaller, manageable steps to reduce feelings of overwhelm. Set realistic goals and deadlines. Social support. Don't hesitate to lean on friends and family for emotional support. Talking to someone you trust can provide relief and perspective. Relaxation techniques. Explore relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or taking a warm bath. These can help calm your body and mind. Hobbies and leisure activities. Make time for activities you enjoy. Engaging in hobbies and leisure activities can provide a welcome distraction from stress and promote a sense of fulfillment. Limit exposure to stressors. Identify and limit exposure to sources of stress when possible. This may include setting boundaries at work or reducing time spent on social media. Professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming or persistent, consider seeking support from a mental health professional. Therapy and counseling can provide valuable tools for managing stress and improving overall well-being. Stress is an inevitable part of life, but how we respond to it greatly influences our health and happiness. By incorporating these stress management strategies into your daily routine, you can reduce the negative impact of stress on your life and cultivate a sense of balance and resilience. Remember that it's essential to prioritize self-care and seek help when needed to ensure your well-being remains a top priority. With the right tools and mindset, you can lead a healthier, happier life despite life's challenges.